Okay, the moment everyone has been waiting for, this big package. Oh my gosh! Hi everyone, it's Mila. I hope everyone is doing well. So today I received a couple of packages that I thought I would do a quick unboxing and show you what I got. So basically this is a half case for maybe you, plus the t-shirt. And this is a pack of nappies at us. I've got a couple of things in here. So let's get started. Got my scissors. So how's everyone doing? Do let me know. I've been a bit stressed lately because I've been having to do a lot of assignments and final year exams. If you've been following me on my platforms and Instagram, Twitter and everything, you know that I have final year exams and all that. Anyway, so I got a pack of crinkles. They come in a pack of 15. I got the small, but then realized the measurements are right at the edge of my actual hip size, which is 55 to 80 centimeters, and I'm around 81, 82, but hopefully they stretch. I know crinkles, when I tried them, it was a large. Obviously it was large on me. A large was large, but hopefully they are okay. So I got a pack of 4 microfiber. I think this is just one. Wait a minute. I got a pack of 4. That's weird. So I always had these type of protectors, so I got a pocket nappy as well. It has little giraffes, lions and everything on it. I have another one. I usually use the one that I have that I bought from Wish as a cover, but I thought of trying microfiber cloths to use inside of them. Yeah, this is just one of them. I got 4 of them. I know there was an issue with my order as I contacted the Nappies R Us person. I also got a changing mat, and they messaged me saying they had the one that I had. I was originally getting the Hello Kitty pink ones. I was between that one and the pink safari one, but it didn't have it, so they messaged me saying we don't have this. So basically my order just came with that, the crinkles, pocket nappy, and one of the 4 microfiber cloths, which I have to contact them about because I paid for 4 of them, not just one. And I got the changing mat, so they messaged me saying, hey, would you like a refund for this one, or would you like this new one, but it may not be the same as you want. So they messaged me the one that I have that they're gonna advertise soon. I don't know if I can post it here depending on when I upload this. I didn't upload this because I'm busy right now with uni schedules, but anyway, long story short, I didn't get a play mat. So they're gonna send me the pink safari one, so hopefully I'll get that tomorrow. And I got a new passy. I thought this was yellow. It seems more like coffee brown, maybe, but it has like little sparkles on it. I don't know if you can see. Sorry, my background doesn't help. My room, a couple of people messaged me saying, like, commented under one of my videos that we love your background, and unfortunately I was forced to take the wallpaper down because it was too childish, and it was from a previous person that was here, and my mom said, you know, just take that down, blah blah blah. So I had to, so maybe I'll do like a subtle Winnie the Pooh themed if I can, or like a baby yellowish, but I'm still renovating, so it's gonna be a while before my room is done. So yeah, and before I ordered a couple of times from Nappies R Us, take two, and I never got sweeties or a thank you card or like a business card, and I think these are stickers or edible. Wait a minute, are these rice stickers? Oh no, they're just stickers. They're kind of cool. A business card and a thank you card, and it says their Instagram handle. Okay, the moment everyone has been waiting for, this big package. This is literally half of size of me. So let me see, how do I open this? There's like a thing here, so I'm so bad with scissors. Wait. When I can't see where the packaging goes, because usually it would be here. Hold on a minute. By the way, I never ordered from ABU directly, but they're an awesome brand. I have no affiliation to either Nappies R Us or ABU. I just think that they're an awesome company and they're very kind. Both of them actually, they've always been very kind to me, and I only have good things to say about them. So, what's your experience with ABU? Let me know. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is huge. Oh my gosh. Wait, did I get crinkles? Oh, I kind of forgot what I ordered. I knew I got a bunny hop in there. Oh my gosh! Wait, look! Oh my gosh, the diapers I've always wanted to try. These are one of the ones I've always wanted to try by ABU. The peekaboo ones, they're so cool. So yeah, I got a pack of these. The absorption on this is 6,500 mils. ABU got me. Oh, they have a different one. Thank you card and the lollipops, as always. They send, they're so sweet. And they send. Are these actual stickers? No, they are. It's a card, but it has space stuff on it. It's very cool, and it has the PKBU ones. And I don't know if I've done a couple of reaction videos, but I don't know if I've ever showed you my PC. I need a new one, but I have one of the ABU stickers on from one of the times that I ordered, not from them directly, from an eBay like distributor. So they kind of changed that. This is just my invoice, and I've got everything that I ordered. Okay, I'll show you the diapers first. I got, I think, the 2-tape systems for the bunny hops. These are the bunny hops. They're a 2-tape system one. There's also ones with the 4-tape system, but I want to try just the 2 ones, just to, you know, get a varied kind of thing, because the rest of them are 4 tapes, if I'm not mistaken. I got the little paws. So these, a long time ago when these came out, I wanted to try these ones because I found them so cute, and I know a lot of furries like these because they have like animals on them, and they have the paw prints as wetness indicators. I think it's a pack of 10. It seems like a pack of 12. No, it's a pack of 10. So I can't wait to try these as well. And I got crinkles, but I got a medium sized, and I got the astronaut ones. So I can't wait to try these ones. I think I believe I tried the large one that I tried from Crinkles a couple of years ago. That was like a friend that gave me one to try. It was a large, but I think it was the Aquanaut one. So it just differs in the patterns. And finally, oh, I'm out of breath already. I got a small All Stars ABU t-shirt. This is so cool. And I can literally wear this under my overalls. It will cover most of the design, but yeah, it's very cool. Very simple, just navy blue at the back, but with the symbol. And that's it. I really need to message Nappies about this. And my playmat is arriving tomorrow, I think, because they shipped it today. And let me show you, just a pocket nappy once you put the inserts inside it. So yeah, and you can attach to pretty much any of them. It's just the same ones. The size is kind of like a universal size, and you have the snaps, and you literally attach it and fold it and attach it anywhere you want. So yes, that's what I got. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video as always, and don't forget to take care of yourselves and of your side, and I'll see you cuties next time. Bye!